say the experiment 1 in data science and ecosystem lab. These 20 questions are all made up of I'm used of numpys and panda function. The first question is that data temperature array. In this I have created the one-dimensional numpy array to store the daily temperature and displays the value. I have used the np.array that creates an array. For next question, zeros, ones and the empty array to find. I have created an array filled with 0 with a 0 function np.0, and I have once create an array filled with ones function and create a unused array as an empty function. The 0 will fill with 0 and the 1 with fill will 1, and the empty allocates memory without assigning its value. And the third question is the random humidity. The random humidity means if we want to create a 15 random humidity value, then return the number of its dimension. First we want to print is original array value, first 3 value, last 4 value, and alternate temperature we want to do. And the fifth question is that rainfall data. First we want to create an array and we want to assume that any value inside it, and we want to store that in array, and we want to print the fourth day of rainfall, third day of rainfall, second day of rainfall using that we want to access this through the index. Then the sixth question is the monthly temperature. np.random.rand int creates a random value. It will create a random value, and the sort function we want to use to sort in the ascending order, and np.unique will remove the fully unique values. And the seventh question is that wind speed. We want to find the wind speed. np.where wind is equal to, we want to np.array, we want to store the sum of the values in the array, and we want to access through the index. In this, the seventh question, the arg max means that the maximum value, arg min means the minimum value. Boolean indexing, 8th question is a Boolean indexing. We want to greater than 100 return true, or else it want to return false. We want to give the condition according to it. The 9th question is an arithmetic operator, the temperature range plus and the division. NumPy performs a element wise operator. You can see it, element wise operator. And the 10th question is that statistics. Used function, the main function used in this dot np.sum, and the minimum function is np.mini, and the average we want to find np.mean function used to find the average. These are the NumPy statistical function, total 3 function. We have used all of these 3 in this question. And the 11th question is that create an 1D model. We want to reshape the model. We want to use the np.arrange and create a month like reshape 4,3 and change into 4 rows 3 column. The flatten means that it converts back to 1D array. The reshaping changing elements without changing its data. Flatten converts back to the 1 dimension. It has in 2 dimension. The flatten is a keyword that used to convert into the single dimension. And the 12th question is that 2 cities rainfall. Create a 2 array, example element wise operator, we want to find it. And the 13th question is a humidity. We want to use the sort function to arrange the element in the ascending order, and we want to find the unique value, we want to find the unique element. And the data, this 14th question, we want to use a float and convert into int. How we can convert is that as type int. The as type int change the data type. And the 15th question is arrange and the line space. We want to arrange now. We have the command like np.arrange. We want to create a equal space interval using that, means we want to create that np.line space. And the 16th question is loop. For loop is for iterating all throughout the array and check if else. And the 17th question is that split function np.split array.2 splits into 2 equal array. That is the main concept of the 17th question. And the 18th question is pd.data frame converts a numpy array into table, converts an array into one table, this function. And the columns are temperature, rainfall, and the humidity. The data frames organize data into rows and column. Data frame rows one side and column one side. And this has three types of the same: the tuple of the average element and the dictionary with the use of tuple and with the use of dictionary. And the 20th question is I have already saved the CSV file name as weatherdata.cvs. I have entered the value manually by given man. We want to access, we want to read a CSV file. We use the function as head, and to display the names is the D type.